Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I wanted to show you guys how I do my everyday curly hair routine. This is pretty much my everyday go-to hairstyle that I do, especially during the summertime, because my hair just doesn't like to communicate with me, especially in the summer. So this is just one of my go-tos that I love. So first I'm going to be using my heat protectant spray. I really love this spray because it just adds amazing shine to my hair that lasts pretty much all day. Next I'm going to be using my Aussi Sprunch Mousse and leave-in conditioner. I'm super obsessed with this and I just got it like last week, but I just love how it makes my curls so like curly. And my curls usually last all day. Like most of the time my curls are really dry in the back and in the front, but when I've used this mousse, it just made my curls last even longer and bouncier throughout the day. So as you see, I'm just putting the product throughout my hair, making sure that I get it everywhere throughout my hair. And I'm doing it with the tip of my fingers just so I could, kind of like a comb in a sense, just distributing it throughout my hair. And then one way to better get it distributed is to comb the product in my hair. And I'm just gonna repeat that on the same side. What the hell? I'm gonna repeat it on the opposite side and make sure that I get all the product distributed throughout my hair from the roots to the ends. One thing that I normally do with my hair is when I apply product in my hair, I like to separate my hair into two sections, especially when I'm applying product, which you'll see coming up in a few. I just like to make sure that all the product is distributed and I don't have to pretty much worry about if certain places don't get product on it. And last, I'm just going to style my hair like I normally do when I'm finished putting my products in. And that's pretty much it for my curly hair routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had a little bit of help with curly hair products, and I hope that these products can help you as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.